Factor completely if possible, 12x squared plus 2x minus 35. Greatest common factor. Only 2's and 3's are to be considered. 2, 2, no 2. 3, no 3. X, X, no X. Greatest common factor is 1. You've done your job. But don't forget it. Always look for the greatest common factor. The product is 12 times negative 35, negative 420. The sum is 2. Large number positive, small number negative. Crank this through. And I guess the magic numbers, the sum is 1. We could not get a sum of 2, and we didn't skip anything, okay? I show you what I went through here. Since I didn't skip anything and there's no 2, the 2 would be right here. This trinomial cannot be factored. We can say that this trinomial is prime. How long would you have spent looking for non-existent factors if you had not used a technique like that? Okay, you cannot convince me that this trinomial is not factorable unless you go through all the possible cases. Example 7. Did I skip example 6? Factor completely. Greatest common factor is 1. Oh, if I have 1 times x squared, frequently I can look at it and see what gives me 12, like 7 times 5 and 7 plus 5. So you can do what we did previously. You can split the middle term. You can factor, get an x plus 5, and you're left with x plus 5 times x plus 7. We will see later that you can use the magic numbers immediately, but only if you have 1 times x squared. So once you come up with the magic numbers, 5 and 7, you can put in x plus 1 magic number and x plus the other magic numbers immediately. But again, warning, only when x is equal to 1. Now, factor completely, the greatest common factor is 1. The magic numbers are about 8 and 2. Negative 8 and positive 2. Example 9, 54. 54 is what? 6 times 9? So 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. This is positive. The larger of the two numbers is positive. The other one is negative. Example 10, 64. 64 is 2 times 32, or 4 times 16. This is positive, that's negative. The two numbers are both negative. So x minus 16, x minus 4. Yes? X minus 16, x minus 4. Example 10, greatest common factor, 3, 3, 3, 9, 9, 9. You can factor out the 9. You are left with x to the 4th plus 2x squared minus 15. Let x squared be t, and you are going to get t minus 3, t plus 5. So x squared minus 3, x squared plus 5. This cannot be factored. This is not factorable as far as integers are concerned. Okay, some exercises now.